Welcome all of you. Today's topic is directions. Direction. It is an important tool while reading a topographical map. And we know all of us are aware of four main directions: east, west, north and south, known as cardinal points. Between cardinal points are northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest, known as intermediate points. So with the help of all these 8 directions, we will find out the exact position of the places in the topographical map. Two types of directions we have to do: with reference to urban cities and with reference to river and river banks. Today, I will teach you directions with reference to urban cities. I have taken one example for you. What is the compass direction of Sigorli Khera from Bamba? Here you can see two names are given, Sigorli Khera and Bamba. We will find out these two places in the map. Between 19 to 20 easting we got Bamba, and between 19 to 20 only above we will see Sigorli Khera. Second important point is to find out from where. From Bamba you have to find direction. So from Bamba, it means you are standing in Bamba and you have to reach to the place Sigorli Khera. So you are moving in the direction north. See, you are moving in which direction? Towards north. So the answer will be north. You can write in capital N. I have taken second question for you. What is the compass direction of DB Duck Bungalow near Anadra 1615 from Bhuni Magri 2118? We will go to 1615. 1615 we will see Anadra is here, and beside Anadra you will see small DB Duck Bungalow is there. 2118 we will go and we will see the place Bhuni Magri. Second important point, from where direction has to find. From Bhuni Magri. Again, you are standing here in Bhuni Magri and you have to reach to this duck bungalow. So you are moving in this direction. I want to show you this. In which direction you are moving, you will find out from here. From Bhuni Magri you are moving to this direction. This is southwest direction. So your answer will be southwest. You can write as SW. Hope the direction is clear to all of you. If you benefited from my video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.